please remember to like and subscribe, and do ring that bell.
Here we are in a blustery Sharpness and looking at one of these magnificent wind turbines. I think probably this is an Ecotricity one. It's a local outfit for us, and probably quite an early one, so not the true monsters they're putting up now, which have got 80-metre wingspans, I think. This is bigger than a jumbo jet. But even here with this one that's getting on a bit, you can feel the power of it, can't you, when you get close to one. And they really are amazing machines. I'm told, oh, listen to that. The power it's getting out of that wind is just incredible. There's a few things to consider with these. One, the blades can rotate and taper, so in really high winds they can actually feather themselves so they don't go around too fast, because what they don't want to do is go around so fast they sort of rip themselves apart, you know. They've also got electric capacitor brakes and mechanical brakes for that very reason, so that needs consideration. They're pretty safe. I think there's a very, I don't even know if it's true, but I understand, you know, ice can build up on the blades. I think there has been one unfortunate accident where a giant slice of ice came off one and reportedly killed someone. But you know, compared to coal mining and, you know, using fossil fuels and everything else, none of those industries are accident free either, and they tend to be put in remote locations, typically offshore. But I think they're just incredible machines, and they're certainly doing some heavy lifting at the moment in terms of decarbonising our electric grid. So I'm not sure if this is one of the German ones. I think one of our English designers designed the look of one. Interestingly, 3 blades looks better, 2 blades is more efficient, but they look terrible. They look like they're strobe. Single blade would be even more efficient, but that would look really odd, and you'd probably need some sort of huge counterbalance, which would just probably then cause other drag issues. They've got to be a bit careful where they put them. Obviously they can get in the way of TV signals, and this one's got a navigation light which you can't see, and generally they don't put them too close to things within their fall radius. But just a magnificent bit of technology helping us decarbonise the grid. Wow, look at that. It really is huge. Love the noise it makes. Those wind tips are flying around, aren't they? Wow. Last bit of trivia. These things are designed to fit on the back of a lorry, and they come in sections. And the sections overlap or are welded together. And but you can see clearly there's 3 sections to that. Each one would fit on the back of a very large lorry, because they've got to come here as well. You know, it's absolutely incredible. Design, engineering, all coming together to produce one of these things. I know people think they're a nuisance, but I think we're going to be seeing a lot more of them in the future.